Checking out Chartboost? Links are below. Chartboost is the go-to platform for mobile game advertising and monetization. Designed for developers and publishers, it's a complete solution for user acquisition, in-app monetization, and programmatic advertising. Scale your app profitably with direct deals, real-time bidding, and powerful ad mediation. Reach high-value users and maximize revenue with Chartboost's programmatic exchange, connecting you with premium inventory across thousands of apps. Real-time bidding ensures top value for advertisers and competitive pricing for publishers. Direct deals cut out the middleman, letting you negotiate exclusive campaigns for higher revenue. Boost engagement with rewarded video, interstitials, and playable ads, all optimized for retention. Rewarded video ads are proven to boost revenue without disrupting gameplay. Cross-promotion tools help you organically grow installs across your app portfolio. Chartboost's mediation platform lets you manage multiple ad networks from one dashboard, optimizing placements for maximum eCPM. AI-powered optimization automatically adjusts waterfall settings, maximizing revenue and user experience. Deep analytics give you granular data, user behavior, retention rates, and revenue attribution, empowering data-driven decisions. Optimize campaigns for performance and profitability. Chartboost is the powerful, flexible solution for mobile game growth. Combining programmatic advertising, direct deals, and advanced analytics, it's a top choice for mobile advertising. Grow your game revenue. Check the links below.